गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
हॅप्पी दसरा टू एव्हरीवन. दरवर्षी आपल्या गुरु कश्मीरा त्रिवेदी दसऱ्यानिमित्त क्लासमध्ये एक छोटीशी पूजा ठेवतात. सर्व मुली आनंदाने त्यात सहभागीही होतात. अगदी लहान मुलींपासून ते अगदी मोठ्या तायांपर्यंत सगळे एक्सायटेड असतात. पण पॅन्डेमिकमुळे ही पूजा यावर्षी होणार नाही असं सगळ्यांनाच वाटत होतं. पण जिथे मिससारख्या गुरु तिथे स्टुडंट्स नाराज होणं शक्यच नाही. आणि आज मिसमुळेच आपण झूमवर भेटत आहोत. मिसने त्यांच्या स्टुडंट्ससाठी खूप काही केलं आहे. अनेक प्रोग्राम्स, अनेक वर्कशॉप्स आणि त्याबद्दल आपण सगळ्यांनीच ऐकलं आहे आणि अनुभवलं देखील आहे. पण एक गोष्ट आहे जी मिसबद्दल नेहमी सांगायची राहून जाते आणि ती म्हणजे मिस आपल्यासाठी फक्त एक नृत्य शिक्षिकाच नाहीत, तर त्यांनी आपल्याला आपली पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलप करायला मदत केली आहे. फक्त नृत्याचेच धडे नाही तर एखाद्या आईप्रमाणे कुठे कसं वागावं, मोठ्या लोकांशी कसं बोलावं, चार चौघात स्वतःला कसं प्रेझेंट करावं, या छोट्या छोट्या पण अगदी महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टी शिकवल्या आहेत. आपलं व्यक्तिमत्व घडवण्यासाठी मदत केली आहे. कोणत्याही प्रोग्रामसाठी बाहेर गेलो की गुरु शिष्याचं नातं हे फक्त प्रोग्रामपुरतं असतं. पण बाकी इतर वेळ आपण सगळे एका फॅमिलीसारखे असतो. मजा मस्ती करतो. कोणत्याही प्रकारचं बंधन नसतं. मिस आमच्यावर अनेकदा रागवतातही, पण तो राग तात्पुरता असतो. जिथे शिस्त हवी तिथे शिस्त पाळलीच पाहिजे आणि जिथे मस्ती तिथे फुल ऑन मस्ती. हा मिसचा साधा आणि सोपा फंडा आहे आणि तुमच्यासारखं गुरु लाभणं हे आमचं भाग्यच आहे. सो आम्ही तुम्हाला आज थँक्यू बोलू इच्छितो मिस. थँक्यू सो मच. आणि ह्या सगळ्या वाटचालीत आपल्या सगळ्या तायांचा खूप मोठा वाटा आहे. सो सगळ्या तायांना देखील आमच्याकडून खूप खूप थँक्यू. आज दसऱ्यानिमित्त आपण सगळे भेटू तर शकलो नाहीच, पण फोटोजद्वारे आपण आपल्या जुन्या आठवणी ताजा करूया.
गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Today I am remembering and missing our Guruji, Shri T.V. Soundarajan Masterji. When I entered Nalanda, I was really overwhelmed with his way of teaching, with his appreciation, and I was one of the fortunate disciples whom he used to appreciate, and we were favorite students of our favorite teacher, Guruji. When I entered Nalanda with basic knowledge of Bharatanatyam, it was him who nurtured the Abhinaya skills in me, and because of all these teachers, I really thought of taking classical dance as my full-time career. So all credit goes to them who very selflessly contributed in my career, and I performed with their blessings around the globe. Guruji used to give us total freedom of performance, and that is the main thing I appreciate like anything. He used to teach us the nuances of Abhinaya, Nritta, pure dance, and he was the combination of strictness and still very lovable personality and teaching. Because of him, my confidence boosted like anything. He used to call the students from another class and he used to tell them, देखो कैसे करता है. And those words I used to enjoy like anything. I used to go home, I practice again and again just for that appreciation. And right time, right appreciation boosts the confidence of the artist, and that I have experienced with Guruji. I remember one of the incidences when it was the exam period and I was in the exam hall with all Kalakshetra personalities sitting in front of me as judges. Our beloved Kanak Reliji was there, and as a syllabus I performed a bit of Javli taught by Guruji. He was sitting there playing Natvangam. I performed a short Pallavi, and the judges said that now we have seen your exam is over, but we want to see you perform this Javli fully, just to enjoy the expressions and Guruji's choreography. I looked at Guruji. His eyes were full of pride, smile on his face, and total confidence in me. And I performed that Javli that day. After which, because of that Javli, I stood first in all the subjects of Nalanda, and all credits to Guruji. After that performance, I went out and I was talking to my friends. Amidst the exam, Guruji came out of exam hall. He shook hands with me. He patted on my shoulder. His eyes were full of tears, and he said, "You gave full justice to my Javli. God bless you." And Guruji, with your blessings, I have taken up dance as a career. I performed really on all major platforms with your loving support, and here the same Javli I am dedicating to your fond memories. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much for being there always for me. I need your blessings for my lifetime.
Namaste. Myself, Srimati Sudha Vijay Kumar, an artistic director of Nritya Sudha School of Dance, Chennai. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, Srimati Kashmira, for having taken this wonderful initiative and making me a part of it. Thank you so much. Guruji, as we affectionately call him, was the most passionate teacher this art has known. Underrated and always maintaining a low profile, Guruji was the ultimate master when it came to the understanding of this beautiful art and imparting it to the students, of whom I am glad and blessed to be one. To him, I owe whatever little success I have got in this field. To him, I owe my transition from a dancer to an artist. To him, I owe my growth as a dance teacher. And to him, I owe my understanding to this art. Before I perform, I would like to share with you all a small incident. After my migration to Chennai, I had an opportunity to perform before great legends in an auditorium called Chitra Rangam. Guruji traveled from Bombay to support me. But that auditorium did not have mics, or mics were not allowed in that auditorium. I was relatively a little bit nervous owing to his age, and he was handling both vocal and Nattuvaangam, but the audience were left totally amazed at his deft handling of both. The program was a roaring success, while Guruji won rave reviews as much as I did to uplift my career. To you, my dear Guruji, I offer my humble pranams and present Krishnani Begane Baro, as it's very dear to my heart. This was the first item he taught me after graduating from Nalanda. Krishnani Begane Baro in Ragam Yaman Kalyani, set to Mishra Chapu Talam. Thank you once again for making me a part of this initiative.
കസ്തൂരി തിലകം ലലാട പലകേ വക്ഷസ്ഥലേ കൗസ്തുഭം നാസാഗ്രേ നവ മൗക്തികം കരതലേ വേണു കരേ കങ്കണം സർവാംഗേ ഹരി ചന്ദനം ചകലയം കണ്ടേച്ച മുഗ്ധാവലിം ഗോപസ്ത്രീ പരിവേഷ്ടിതോ വിജയത്തെ ഗോപാല ചൂടാമണിയും കൃഷ്ണ ബാരോ കൃഷ്ണ ബാരോ Krishna ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಮೇಯೋಳ ಗೌಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ வைஜயந்தி கொரள வைஜயந்தி தாயிக்கு பாயல் பாயல் ஜகவன்னை தோரித ஜகவன்னை தோரித தாயிக்கு பாயல் ஜகவன்னை ಜಗದಾಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ
Namaskaram to all. I am Shiva Prasad from Mumbai. I am truly happy that Takshashila came up with this program, a tribute to Guru TV Soundarajan sir, who was one of the great guru in Mumbai. And Kashmira ji asked me to share a few moments that I spent with him. Actually, if I start talking about him, it will go on, like so much there to talk about him. For me, he was not just a guru, he was a mentor, he was a father figure for me, he was a guide for me. I learned many things watching him and singing with him, especially during the days when I was new to Bombay, new to this dance field. He really shown that how humble, though he was a top Guruji in that time, very simple man, very down to earth, and his knowledge about dance, the way he choreograph things, the way he sing for the choreography, how he take the music to that level, these things I really observed from him, and really that helped me in my career to understand more about music and dance, the connection between music and dance. He invited me, he asked me to sing for his programs, though I was very inexperienced. So I asked him, Guruji, you are such a great Guruji, and the compositions which you are doing I never even heard before coming to you. He casually smiled. Shiva Prasad, for you, I am there. You know, that kind of words, that kind of encouragement, when you get it that time, you really feel blessed. Then I went to his class and we started the rehearsals. For my surprise, he was doing such a nice padams. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாதவரோடல் ஏன் பிணங்கி கொண்டாய் மகளே. This kind of padams. Then some of the padams he actually composed. Yaradi sakhiye, yaradi sakhiye, yendal sundam pola, like that in Kannada. Then one of his speciality, he used to do this Atatala Varnam, Viriboni the equivalent of that Bhairavi Varnam in Tamil. Vadivelavane Mailavane, the equivalent Sahityam of Telugu in Tamil. And his knowledge of Tamil language, and especially the way he molded it for the dance, and his language that he creates is something that anybody can understand. It's not like high that even normal people cannot understand. It's not like that. Nice language, and the music is also very pleasing. Then I remember some of the padams like Indendu Vachiti Vira Aladani Illu Suruti, and so many special padams which I never, those days it was not heard, like the time when there is no Google, there is no online applications to search, and that time to hear such new padams and new things, for a newcomer like me, it was something special. Then the Nritta padams like Ananda Natamaduvartille, these kind of Nritta padams. Also, he specialized in conceptualizing some of the Hindi bhajans to Bharatnatyam, which was very rare those days. For example, he took the song Kamala Lochana Katipitambara Adhara Murali, like this kind of Hindi or bhajans or like kirtanams too for Bharatnatyam. And one of his special choreography those days, Pralaya Payodhi, the Ashtapati, which used to sing, he choreographed in the place of Varnam with Jatis. Pralaya Payodhi Jale Dhritavanasi Vedam, like also Ashtanayika. So these are some of the rare compositions during his time. All the people like us, we got as a treasure, because other than the orthodox Varnams, traditional Varnams and Padams, Tilanas, most of the Gurujis were not willing to take new experiment, these kind of experiments. But I think he is the person who started this trend within the traditional structure without losing the quality of the dance. He experimented new things in choreography, in music, as well as in talam. His one of his biggest advantage is Sarvalakhu. When he do Natuvangam, any mridangist can play anything, will not disturb either dancer or singer or Natuvangam. His power of Sarvalakhu is so super that so any mridangist who comes to play for him will really enjoy playing, because the tala structure and the strong talam with him is something special. Same with the singer also. As a singer, I used to really enjoy singing with him, and he gave the freedom to sing the way, because he never restricted that you should not sing this, you should not sing that. He is just concerned about the raga and thala. But you can go according to as per the dance quality, you can reach to heights, whatever the way you can create. That was one of his speciality as a guru. So I'm really, this moment I really cherish the memories. I sang with him, I spent any program with him, many programs I accompanied with him, and many things I learned with him. So I'm really thankful to Takshashila giving this opportunity to share few moments what I had with him. And his students are so blessed and lucky that they all got a lot of knowledge from him. Thank you. That's all.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. As I walk on the sands of time and leave footprints for the future generations, I would also like the future generation dancers to know a little bit about my Guru, T.V. Soundarajan Masterji, who was one of the faculty at the Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, Mumbai University. A guru, a traditional guru who believed in experiential learning. For him, teaching a student was not just cloning, but also a part of the identity, a part of the understanding of the student went into the performance. I will now be performing an item which he taught me for my Aranetram. I once again offer my humble pranams at the feet of my Guru. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.